Cryptocurrency payments explained. ExoClick offers multiple payment options to make it easy for you to fund your campaigns. In this video tutorial, we would talk specifically about crypto funding, which allows you to send USDC from your crypto wallet to ExoClick. In order to send USDC as funds to your ExoClick account, click on Payments, then click on Cryptocurrency. You can choose from multiple blockchain networks, so please make sure that you are using the one supported by your crypto network. Once you have selected the network, you will get a unique wallet ID to which you can send your funds in USDC. Enter the amount that you want to send, then click on Send Notification. A proforma will be generated with the details from your ExoClick account. Copy the wallet ID we provided earlier and then follow the steps from your crypto network to send USDC to that wallet. A few notes. It is very important that you send the funds in USDC. Sending any other cryptocurrency will result in permanent loss for you. The minimum amount you can send is $200 or euros worth of USDC. Funds will be converted from USDC to the currency selected in your ExoClick account. Lastly, please note that some countries do not offer the cryptocurrency option. You can check the full list of restricted countries in our documentation. Once our finance team has received the funds, they will update the proforma you created earlier to reflect the funds you sent and turn it into an invoice. Thanks for watching this video.